How did I end up here? I know, let me explain myself. So, I visited some friends over the weekend and they kept ordering food. I wasn't entirely cool with it because of the excessive oil in the food. So, I told them, friends, I'm gonna have to cook my own food. And sharply, somebody went to the market to shop for what was needed, except for the semi-bad fish I ended up with. I'm going to explain that in a bit. So, the beef and pomo goes in first. I needed to cook that with some ginger, garlic, followed by seasoning, curry, thyme, onions, and water. Just mix and cover for about 10 minutes. Let's boil our fish. I never intended to cook the fish this way. I had to change my mind because the fish was so soft and almost not good. Somebody even suggested I throw the fish away. I was like, throw 2 kg of fish away in this economy. No, don't worry. I'll find a way around it. So I ended up boiling the fish with a lot of ingredients and it came out really nice. And by the way, all the ingredients will be in the video description. Okay, so after 10 minutes, our meat and pomo should be ready and also our fish. Now it's time to make our stew. So you can put in the oil in the pot and after 30 seconds to 1 minute, you can start adding your onions and pepper combo. You're going to add your stock water as well and cover for about 6 to 10 minutes. Now the stew is ready for proteins to go in. So you're going to add your protein, equally add the crayfish. Then you will add your deboned fish and mix and cover for about 10 minutes. Remember, we haven't added our seasoning, so check the taste and add necessary seasoning as required and let it cook for about 5 minutes before putting off the fire. I had this stew with white rice and yam. It was really tasty. You should try it too.